shutting down of my barrel pond system. This is my second video. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I shared with you in a video before that I am actually shutting down my 18 barrel ponds, structured ponds, what I call it now, setup ponds within this space. I am shutting down. I'm done with it, but I'm not done with fish keeping. Right? What I've decided to do is to remove all the fish from here and actually dump the barrels themselves. Now, all the fittings, um, as best as possible, will be reused somewhere, somehow. Alright, so I've actually removed uh, the yellow labs from here, 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 and here. They total about 30 so far. I have another probably about 15 in this space, in which I'm going to be removing shortly, right? And that will be it for yellow labs. For now, I have some babies. They are living within this space. I just moved them before I decided to actually, you know, get rid of the system. So I'm going to allow them to stay here for the next couple of months, grow to probably about 2 inches, and then I remove them and then remove the bucket. All right, so in the other shares, probably about 6 or 7 shares, I will share with you down the line what I'm moving and how I'm moving them, right? But for now, it's all about the yellow labs, right? So I have roughly about 45-50 yellow labs in my entire system, right? And if you count the babies, it's near 60, right? Um, what I've done is to move all the yellow labs to this 270-gallon um, tote. All the yellow labs within this space, right? In the future, I'll be doing features on them. I think I need to do a little bit more rock work to get all of them to be comfortable within the space. Alright, so the tote will be moved. Right, yeah, you might be asking me why is it that I place the tote here if I'm going to be moving it. The thing is, the tote will be, I had intended to stretch out the totes, all 9 totes along the side as I showed in the last video, and then I would have a piping system which actually helped to get rid of the water, just like how I have with the barrels. But my wife is not really too liking that idea, and she suggested that it might be, for security reason, not a good idea. So I decided to keep the toads underneath where they are underneath a tree, and I'm going to be adding the 2 toads that I'm supposed to get within the space. But before I can add them, I'm going to have to remove the barrels, right? And so it's a process, and so I'm going to have to get the 2 toads, place them somewhere with water, remove the fish, remove the barrel, get rid of the barrel, and then place the toads right there, right? And it should fit in real well, right? I'm not too sure how I'm going to manage the 2 Jaguar cichlids, which is in two of the barrels, um, and a Demasoni. Probably I might have to save probably about 2 of the barrels so as to keep them for the time being. My intention was to actually breed Demasoni, but they are very difficult to get from the pet shop. The ones that um, I had some issue with the water change, and they died. Release, 5 died. Had two very aggressive to each other. One died, so I only have one left. Right, so I have presently 9 toads. Right, some with tilapia, some with Oscar. Right, I'm looking for babies meanwhile. Some with one with goldfish, right, Oscar, right. So the Oscars, the two Oscars are within the tooth, and that's one of the reasons why they have actually been able to survive just with air, and they have been growing so large. And the other IBC tooth, um, with fingerlings that are really growing, and I need to do something about that. But I can't. I need to sell them, but I can't because I'm not getting any fries. I don't know if it's a cool temperature, but I'm not getting any fries. So back to the story regarding my system. So I'm gonna be, yeah, guys, I'm gonna be shutting down. I love this system. I love the system, should I say? I actually designed it in my head, and it worked. It has been working for the past, from 2016, 2 years. Well, it will be 8 years. But such is life. So all this will be gone. These are my yellow labs. These are my Janai. I so I will be sorting out that very soon. Peace out, guys. Oh, the main gardeners will be getting their own totes, so all my main gardeners will be in one tote. So that's one of the reasons why you see some of the barrels still have water. And as I shared with you before, whenever I'm doing the transferring of those fish into totes, I'll share with you similar to when I am doing the yellow labs. Peace out, guys. Thank you very much for your support. I appreciate it. Bye bye. Oh yeah, a filtration system will be placed on all totes. Same way. Bye bye.